JBL Boombox 3. JBL announced plans at CES to release a third version of its largest portable Bluetooth speaker. The $500 Boombox 3 will feature an entirely new three-way speaker system consisting of a racetrack-shaped subwoofer, 2 mid-range drivers, and 2 tweeters. The latest iteration of the Boombox 3 promises deeper bass and even more powerful sound than previous models. At full charge, the Li-ion battery is expected to deliver an incredible 24 hours of playing time. The massive battery also allows the Boombox 3 to act as a power bank that can charge up to 3 mobile devices at once. The speaker uses the latest Bluetooth 5.3 standard and can simultaneously connect 2 smartphones or tablets, allowing the devices to swap playback without changing the connection. BL's Party Boost feature allows you to pair the Boombox 3 with another compatible JBL speaker to create a stereo effect, or to connect to multiple Party Boost compatible speakers to spread the party around. There's an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, so the speaker can travel almost anywhere with you and survive a drop into the pool or a lake. The Boombox 3 will come in black or camo colors, with a metal handle that has an orange silicone grip. The previously reviewed JBL Boombox was 7.69 by 19.48 by 10.01 inches, HXWXD, and weighed at 11.57 pounds. The new model looks to have similar dimensions. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.